Want to hide and lock your private photos on iPhone? Not sure where to start? It's easier than you think. In this video, I'll show you the steps to hide your photos using the built-in Photos app. So let's dive in. Before you do anything, make sure to enable Face ID or Touch ID on your iPhone. These Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode will be used to hide your picture on your iPhone. Step 1. Hide photos using the Photos app. Open the Photos app on your iPhone. Open the photos that you want to hide. Tap 3 dot. Tap Hide. Tap Hide Photos. Same way, add as many photos as you want to hide. After that, go back. Scroll down. Under the Utilities, select Hidden. Enter your passcode. This will show you your hidden photos. Now, if you ever want to recover them, you need to select the photos. Tap 3 dot. Tap Unhide. After that, your photo will be unhidden from your iPhone again, and it will show you from the Photos application. Now, if you want, you can even hide the hidden option or folder from Photos apps. Then try following this. This will secure your data even deeper. Open Setting. Scroll down. Tap Apps. Find out Photos apps. Scroll down. Turn off Show Hidden Album. Now, if you open the photos and scroll down to Utility, you can see the hidden option is missing and not showing here. Now, to get this option back again, you need to go to the setting again. Scroll down. Tap Apps. Find out Photos apps. Scroll down. Turn on Show Hidden Album. Now that you know how to hide photos on your iPhone, it's super easy. If you have any questions or need any help, just let me know. Thanks for watching.